Hello guys, welcome to Web World Tech. Today we are going to discuss on a topic called ELK. ELK stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash and Kibana. In this video, we are going to discuss about the installation process of Elasticsearch and Kibana. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see I have opened a website of elastic.co. This is the page where you can download the Elasticsearch first. So I have already downloaded the softwares, but still, just in order to show you, you can just type in Google download Elasticsearch. The first link will be of elastic.co. You can go there. As you can see on my screen, I have opened elastic.co downloads page where we have an option to download Elasticsearch based on different operating system options. So as I'm going to perform this installation and run this Elasticsearch and Kibana on macOS, so I'll be downloading this part. So directly just click on it. You'll see the download will start automatically here. Yeah, so download has started. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this one. The next step again in terms of Kibana, you need to go to the elastic.co download/Kibana. You'll see that get the latest version on this page based on your operating system. Uh, Try to download this part. I am again, as I said, like I'm using Mac OS, so I'm clicking on this. The download will get started accordingly. Yeah, Kibana is also downloaded from in my system, so I'm going to cancel it again. Now let's navigate to the folder where these softwares are placed. These files are already extracted. You can just click on open with and extract it. Let's go to the terminal and see the installation process. So I have navigated to that particular folder path. Now let's go inside Elasticsearch extracted version. Inside it, so I have license, notice, readme, bin, config, and all these files and folders in this inside Elasticsearch 7.8.1. What we need to do next is go inside bin folder. You'll have these many options. Now you need to type this command /Elasticsearch, enter. With this command, your Elasticsearch will start the processing, and you can see a lot of commands being executed on your screen. It will take a couple of minutes, and then we are good to go to test whether Elastic is up and running or not. Let's go to browser and check whether it has started or not. Localhost 200, enter. Yeah, so you can see the Elastic is up and running, and it is the version number is 7.8.1. All this information is clearly visible. This is my local system name. Yeah. Now next we are going to test or start actually the Kibana. So let's navigate to that folder again. So I came inside Kibana folder. You have multiple options here again. Here we also will go to bin folder. Just see what are the items available. Again, enter /Kibana, enter. This also will take a few minutes to start and set up its initial configurations. You'll get that information on the screen, the processing information, what Kibana is doing in starting. By the time it does the processing, there are some of the key points which I would like to share with you guys. Is Kibana is for the monitoring purpose. uh, it's like there are a lot of features inside Elastic which you can explore further, like observability, alerts, XPack setups, log stash. So and Kibana is something on top of it, where it's a user interface where you can see, explore, create dashboards on the data which is stored inside Elasticsearch. You can also create different types of visualization. You can stream real-time data. You can have your APM services and a lot of different features which we are going to talk about in subsequent videos in this uh, tutorial. And yeah, it has not started yet. We wait for some more time. You can see on the browser it's saying Kibana server is not ready yet, and we can see in our console it is doing its internal processing in order to start the Kibana. Yeah, now you can see in the bottom it's mentioning Kibana is up and running at port 5601. So basically this is the default setup. I have not done any configuration and changes. That is something which we need to explore further, but for starting you can do this setup in local. This it will definitely work for you. Yeah, now you can see it started responding, and the Kibana logo and the loader has came up. Welcome to Elasticsearch. Great. So we have successfully installed Elasticsearch and Kibana on our system, and Kibana is interacting to the Elasticsearch on port number 9200. Let's try it out with some sample data. I'm going to install add data in the system here. Sample e-commerce orders. This is ready. Let's go to discover. See. So this is our discover tab. It has this is the sample data which Elastic MS Kibana has given us to explore and to play with in order to understand different type of dashboards, different versions. Maybe you can try these data on visualization, or you can create dashboards. You can check on discover. There are multiple options for doing that. So I think to explore those options, we'll have a subsequent videos associated with this in the same tutorial. So please watch it, and so our installation is complete. Thanks for watching.